So now, this is the plan of the remote control, and I already have everything here, every component I need here. These look like sort of garbage with wire, but they are actually very useful. It's just all of them are just basically mechanical switch, and these three guys here, they are the battery packs. See how they look rough. They are ugly, but they do better things. And this guy is just the knob that controls the speed of the motor. Yes, using this forward and backward switch. So now let me explain the basic principle of this. What this guy is doing. We already know how these guys work. It's just that they just switch the polarity of the voltage that is going to the DC motor. So this one now is for the left and right, this one is for the front and back, and while this one is the tipper, and this guy is the knob here. Now look at this drawing very well. Look at it very well. This is the forward and backward switch, this is left and right. Why this is the tipper? This is here, this is here. No, sorry. This is here and this is here. And this dude is not here. Now, before I go on, let me explain how this dude works. Now, this is one of my direct remote controls. So you know that connecting batteries in series increase the voltage, but the current remains the same. Now, so if I connect this DC motor now, I connect it here. See, the DC motor speed is not that high. And by the way, these are 3 voltage battery. This one is 3, this one is 3, this one is 3 voltage. So now see, this is only one battery, but when I use the second battery, you hear the sound, and when I use the third battery, see how the speed is very high. I'm already perceiving smoke safe in my motor. I don't keep this DC motor. So that's exactly how this switch works. You see, when you put it on 1, it's going to use only this battery. When you put it on 2, electricity is going to travel through this battery, and all the batteries are already connected in series. And when you put it on 3, it's going to use the whole battery. And lucky for me, you know that this kind of DC motor here, it can tolerate up to 17 volts. So, and the maximum voltage that's going to come out from the truck is like 10.8 volts, because you know the wire has resistance and all those stuff, which can limit the voltage. Normally it's supposed to be 11.1 or 11.2 that's going to come out, but now it's 10.8. So now let's start wiring the remote control. So first of all, I glue these guys to their setting position, like here, here, and here. Everything. I haven't wired anything, nothing is wired together, but I've come everything, you see, to the board. So now let's start wiring. First of all, connect these dudes together. Their inputs, connect their inputs together like this. Now, second of all, we're going to wire these 3 batteries in series. See, as I think this thing, make sure no wires touching each other. Or anything that touch you now can short circuit. So I can't use my DC motor, it's going to burn it. My resistor has high resistance, so the DC motor isn't spinning, so I don't want to stress it too much. So now let's put the batteries. I'll put this one, now I'm going to put my multimeter here. Just turn it 20 volts. Now let's test it. Oh, not connected one more time. Something's not connected. This dude is not connected. Oh, it's this guy. And there we go. So let's test it now. Okay, now set it. It's working, it's working, it's working. See this multimeter reading 3 volts. So let's reverse it, polarity now. Still reading it. So let's top up the voltage. Now 7 points. It's working though. It saves 7 points. Now let's crank it to the highest. 11 points. Woo! The tipper, no short circuit. The tipper and this guy, they are connected together, so they're supposed to read up to 7 point something volts. So let's go. I told you. This is when tipper is going up, and this is when tipper is down. So let's test the left and right now. Let's see if it. Okay. I don't know how to start dancing because I have some stuff on my body and I don't want to go to the ground.
Are you serious right now, bro?
But I'm so happy it's working. So now let us just cover all these wires and we are good to go. So guys, insulated all the wires, you can see. I've insulated all of them and also added a switch here. This is a pulsating switch for the headlamp in the tipper truck. The headlamp, this is a tipper truck now. It's also connect all the outputs now to the tipper, and that's what's left for me to do. And this switch here is to on the light, on the headlamp total. And this is the battery for it, but I'm not using a 3 point. I'm not using 9 volt battery. I'm using this guy, this small guy here, so that my LEDs won't burn.
Sorry I couldn't get a video of me covering the tipper truck because it was too long, but I'm going to proceed
right after I clean this mess. What? That's how engineers work, or makers, or whatever. If their desk is not like this, it means they're not working.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect